To one and all gathered here, welcome to Madurai. Let's start the session with few words about Madurai. It's called as Kadambavanam, once a forest transformed into a city of sweetness. One of the capitals of distinctive Pandya's dynasty, also a trade center of Greece, a domicile for many great poets and saints of Tamil Sangam period. A holy ground where Lord Shiva played his 64 Thiruvilayadals. More interestingly, it's a hub for mouth-watering dishes. Get ready on board and enjoy the Madurai moments. Now let's start the inauguration, CME inauguration. I call upon Dr. Ramakrishnan, President, IPS South Zone. I invite Dr. Ramana Neerath, Vice President, IPS South Zone. I invite Dr. Suresh Kumar G, Honorary General Secretary, IPS South Zone. I welcome Dr. Gangaram K, Treasurer, IPS South Zone. I invite Dr. Shahul Amin, IPS South Zone Editor. I invite Dr. Vishal Inla, IPS South Zone Representative. I invite Dr. V.K. Aravind, Chairman, IPS South Zone. I welcome Dr. Arun Kumar N, Organizing Secretary, IPSACON. It's true that a prayer that comes from the heart can move mountains. It increases your faith and brings you closer to God. Now I call upon Dr. Janani Shankar to sing the prayer song. Dr. Janani Shankar, consultant psychiatrist, did her psychiatric medicine from a Christian Medical College, Vellore, practices hypnotherapy extensively. Her areas of interest include depression and anxiety. I welcome you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Lightning lamp is assigned to disperse the ignorance, brighten knowledge. Now I call upon the dignitaries on the dais to lighten the lamp. Thank you, sir. I call upon President Dr. K. Ramakrishnan, IPS South Zone, to welcome the gathering and to inaugurate the CME.
Good morning to all of you. Respected members of IPS South Zone, dignitaries, office bearers of IPS South Zone, welcome you all for this IPSACon 2021, this 54th annual conference and the first day CME. I welcome you all wholeheartedly for joining us in a period of COVID uncertainty. Initially we thought it will be only virtual, whether it will happen or not. But Goddess Meenakshi ordered it will be only hybrid, more physical will join. That's how the CME has started. The CME programs, topics are designed for more of clinical practice than pure academic one. Dr. M. Suresh Kumar, Scientific Committee Chairman, Dr. V.K. Arun, CME Chairman, and a host of other academicians join together and have this program. Not much to talk now because we will start our scientific session and by 1:45 we will have an inaugural function. I am very proud to declare this CME open. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Request CME Chairperson, Dr. V.K. Arvind, to felicitate.
Good morning to everyone. I'm not going to take much time of yours because we are already in the late phase of start. Respected President, Office Bearers of IPS South Zone, South Zonal Branch, Office Bearers of National IPS, and the participants in both physical and hybrid mode, I welcome you to my hometown of Madurai, the temple city of South India. For the 54th IPSACon organized by the Atma Hospitals, Trichy Psychiatric Association and the Tamil Nadu Psychiatric Association. As a CME person, I am overwhelmed by the context of the CME and the conference topics advocated for the next 2.5 days with a wide range of topics, not particularly sticking on to the theme of the conference, disaster psychiatry. For the last 1 year, IPS South Zonal Branch is proud to tell that regular conduct of monthly virtual CME program is organized and is well deserved by all over the zonal of South Zone on virtual mode. It's also my time to extend a warm greetings and regards to the office bearers of IPS South Zone, South Zonal Branch, EC members of IPS South Zonal Branch, along with my own committee members, Dr. Lokeshwar Reddy, Dr. Dayal Narayan, Dr. Sai Krishna, who have been tremendously helping me to organize monthly virtual program on a successful mode. I hope the next 2.5 days we will enlighten to a very good, rich and quality academic activities of various speakers of the conference ranging on their own experience. I do hope the postgraduates will take a basket full of learning newer innovations and good clinical skills at IPSACon Madurai. I wish IPSACon a great grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we'll quickly start our first session. We are coming.
Since this is the beginning hours, we don't want to make any delay. As by 9:30, we plan to start the first session. Without much delay, we will start our first session with Dr. Suresh Badamat, the opening batsman for the inaugural lecture. Chairperson Dr. Jagdish and Dr. V.K. Aravind. So let us join.